Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download edited PDF from PDFfiller. So assume that you finished with your editing. Now at the end, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see orange done button in the corner here, or here at the top right corner at the top. Now what you are going to do is click on one of them, so it's the same pretty much. Now we just need to wait a few moments, so it was saved now. All right, let me open up again. And now I will go and access through here. You see these three dots next to it, and it will open up what would you like to do with that file. And as you can see here at the really top, the first one basically is download PDF. So if you click on it, now it will take a moment to load. And as you can see now, it's basically downloaded in PDF. Here it is. And yeah, this is it. So we successfully downloaded in PDF file from PDFfiller. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next